In this video, we're going to demonstrate the advantages Silverson High Shear Mixers offer for the manufacture of CBD-based gummies and other confectionery. Formulations vary, but typically gummies contain water, corn syrup, and sugars, such as sucrose and glucose, as well as artificial sweeteners. Gelatin is the most common gelling agent, although agar-agar and other plant-based alternatives are also used. A Silverson mixer will instantly blend high-viscosity syrup into water and can rapidly dissolve high concentrations of sugar and other sweeteners at ambient temperature, saving time and the cost of heating the water. Gelling agents can be dispersed without the formation of agglomerates, maximizing yield. The intense mixing will also ensure the CBD oil is uniformly dispersed throughout the mix, and likewise coloring and flavoring. This is usually added last. The finished mixture is then ready for filling into molds. The entire process can be carried out with a single mixer, and results are scalable from the laboratory to full-scale production. If you want to find out more, contact us today.